Fire! 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 Welcome to Power Actuated Tools Stiffy Sealing Hanger Gun Safety. Power actuated fastening is suitable for use in the following materials only: poured concrete, structural steel, masonry joints, wood applications. Believe we're only going to be using it for poured concrete. Never attempt to fasten into any other type of material. Fastening into other materials can cause blindness or serious injury when those materials crack or shatter and send shards flying. Never attempt to fasten into very hard or brittle materials such as cast iron, tile, or rock of any type. Never fasten into soft base materials such as drywall. Your hanger will go straight through the drywall and could impact somebody on the other side. Operating instructions for the Stiffy Sealing Hanger Gun. Insert the assembly into the nose piece until the fastener is securely seated. Insert the strip loads into the bottom of the feed track. Slide in until the strip is flush with the bottom of the tool housing. Always insert the loads from the bottom of the Stiffy tool and remove from the top. To actuate the Stiffy tool, raise the tool to the ceiling and touch the assembly to the spot you would like to penetrate. Lower the tool approximately 12 inches from the substrate and strike the tool against the work surface with a firm upward motion. Remove the tool from the assembly. The assembly is the hanger that you put in. Repeat the sequence by inserting another assembly into the nose piece and advancing the next load by squeezing the index lever upwards until it stops. Eye protection must be worn at all times by the tool operator and by bystanders. Never place your hand in front of a loaded attachments tool. Attachments tool is the Stiffi Gun. If the tool is accidentally discharged, the fastener or piston could shoot through your hand. Always make a test fastening after being sure that the base material is suitable for power actuated fastening. Failure to determine the correct power level to be used may result in the use of excess power, allowing the fastener to pass completely through the work material, causing serious or fatal injuries to others who may be in the path of the fastener. Colorblind operators must always select loads by the load number to prevent the use of incorrect loads. Only loads designed for the use in a specific tool can be used in that tool. When using the tools, always start with a test fastening in order to confirm the suitability of the base material. Always start with the lowest load level, gray, and increase load level based on the acceptability of the attachment. Exception: when tool operator is familiar with the surface, attachments, and power loads for a specific application, the test fastener step can be skipped. Safety: always be sure tool is operating properly before attempting to use it. Always load tool using a strip load selected directly from a box indicating the power load type and number. Never attempt to use strip loads that could be misidentified. Never carry loose strip loads in pockets with pins or other hard objects. Never load a tool unless you intend to immediately make a fastening. Never place your hand or other body part over the barrel of the tool or the pole. Always store tool unloaded and keep the tool and the load securely locked in a toolbox. Keep the tool pointed away from yourself and others. Never carry a loaded tool around the work area. Never allow anyone not trained in the use of the tool to use the tool. Never engage in horseplay with the tool. Using the tool in poorly ventilated areas, cleaning tool, or handling loads may result in exposure to lead or other substances known to cause birth defects or other physical harm. Have adequate ventilation at all times and wash thoroughly after exposure. Wearing our HEPA filtered half masks and disposable coveralls, we should be protected from any lead put into the air by the firing of the tool. What to do in the case of a misfire. If the tool does not fire after the normal firing sequence, continue to hold the depressed tool against the work surface for at least 30 seconds. Then carefully lower the tool, remove the strip load, and put it in a can of water or other non-flammable liquid. Never dispose of a load strip with a live load in it in a trash container. If the tool becomes stuck or jammed with a live power load, keep the tool pointed in a safe direction and immediately tag it. Danger, defective, do not use. Lock the tool in a toolbox and contact CEAS Attachments for assistance. Thank you for taking the Power Actuated Tool Stiffy Sealing Hanger Gun training. Please proceed to the quiz.